What's good, family? It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook. I'm back at you. My apologies to you all. I haven't posted in about a month. I've been a little bit busy, but I ain't went nowhere. I'm back, baby. So today we're going to do an old Texas favorite, one of my favorites, very simple and oh so delicious. We're going to make us a Frito chili pie, baby, with our own chili sauce. If you want to use the can, more than welcome, but I like making my own. It's just that much better. So let's get into it. Make this Frito chili pie, baby. Yeah. So all we're gonna do, we're gonna brown our ground meat. We're gonna throw our spices in there. We're gonna add us some beef broth in there. We're gonna let it simmer. Everything else after that is just building, baby. Fritos are already ready. We're going to grate us some cheese while we letting it simmer. And we're going to put it all together. Yeah. We're going to start by adding us maybe about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So let's get that in there. About 2 tablespoons. Y'all don't laugh at my pot. I know it's a little ashy. I ain't seasoned it in a while, so it's a little ashy. I'm going to season it soon. And let's just get that olive oil around. We're going to let it heat. We're going to come back and throw this ground meat. As you can see, our oil is starting to smoke. Let's just get our ground chuck in there. Oh, yeah. Let's just get it broke up, smashed around. There we go. And some people put onions in theirs. I don't. Everybody don't like onions. Plus, when I'm making this type of chili, I don't like onions in it. I don't make it the same as a traditional chili. I don't use tomatoes, crushed tomatoes. I don't use tomato paste. Nothing like that. This is strictly going to be basically a chili sauce. So we just gonna season it up so we got that chili taste, and it's gonna go perfect. It's gonna go great with our Frito chili pie, baby. So let's just get that broke up, just like that. Now we're just gonna cook and continue to brown it. All right, so now I'm pretty sure we got us a good little crust at the bottom. Let's go ahead and continue to mix it up and get it all browned. There we go. And this is the hardest part about this dish. You know, just making the ground meat. Everything else after that is just putting it together. And if you want to bake it, you can bake it. I actually like mine baked. I like the cheese melted. Some people just open a bag of Fritos, pour some chili in it, put some cheese in it, maybe some sour cream, and throw some onions on top. That's how they do it. But I like mine baked. I like to throw some jalapeños on top. I don't like sour cream, so that won't be in there, but it's gonna be oh so cheesy and oh so delicious, baby. All right, so as you can see, our ground meat is pretty much all the way brown. So now we're just gonna drain it. We're gonna come back. We're gonna add our spices to it. It's gonna give us that flavor. So now let's drain it and put some flavor to this meat, baby. So now we got our meat drained. Let's go ahead and get it back into our pot. Get it on back in there. Now we finna kick it up with our spices. Let's get some Worcestershire sauce in there. Let's get some chili powder, baby. Oh yeah, gotta have that chili powder. Mix it on up, that chili powder in there. Make sure all the meat is coated with that chili powder so we can get that taste. Hit it with some onion powder. Let's get it out of there. There we go. Mix that up. Hit it with some garlic powder. Mix that up. And we gotta wake that flavor up. Hit it with some salt, baby. Sea salt, that is. And just mix that up as well. Just get everything combined. Now, last but not least, throw some black pepper in there. Mix it up. Taste for likeness. Make sure you don't need to add anything. Now, let's go ahead and throw our beef broth in there. There we go. Get that beef broth in there. Mix that on in. And we're just going to let this simmer for a good 45 minutes to an hour, baby. And just make sure you turn your heat down to medium low. All right, my family, as you can see, our chili is done. Let's go ahead and turn the heat off. And look at that. We got us some nice, rich chili sauce for our Frito chili pie, baby. Yeah. Like I said before, I like mine baked in the oven. So if you're doing that, make sure you preheat your oven, 375, 400 degrees. But I'm going to make it both old-fashioned ways. We're going to have one baked in the oven, and we're just going to have one in the bag with the chili and cheese on top. Yeah. Bottom of our pan. Pan a little old, but it still works, baby. It still serves the purpose. Chili on top, baby. Let's get some of that chili in there. There we go. Just make sure you get it spread around. Make sure everybody got some chili on top. Let's hit it with our freshly grated Kobe Jack cheese. You can use sharp, you can use pepper jack, you can use whatever you choose to. It's your world, it's on you. No chips. Like I say, I'm stretching it, so I'm not making a big one here. Some more of our delicious chili. There we go. Cheese, baby. Some more cheese, please. There we go. And we're just gonna throw this in the oven for maybe 10, 15 minutes. We're gonna have us some nice, delicious Frito chili pie, baby. As you can see, our baked one is out the oven, baby. Cheesy. Now what I did, I cut the bag a little bit because there was a lot of bag left. I got my chili over there. Got my cheese right here. Show y'all how we did it. We was youngins. We go to 7-Eleven or something, get us some chili, put it in our bag, close the little top up, and we just get everything mixed in there, just like that. We're gonna get us some more chili. In the bag it goes. Let's get some more chili. In the bag it goes. And we're just gonna do it just like we did a few minutes ago. Just make sure that chili is all throughout. Good old hot chili. Bam. So we got chili at the bottom, chili in the middle. Let's finish it off with some more chili at the top. There we go. Should have cut the bag a little bit longer. That's on me. We're gonna throw some cheese in there. And let's get that cheese mixed in there too. There we go. Ooh-wee. Just like that. And that's all to it, y'all. Frito chili pie, a Texas favorite. We got one baked, and we got one just made into the bag. It leaned forward for you to see it. All right, family. I'm gonna make it presentable, and we'll be right back. All right, family. That is it. That is all. We just made us some delicious Frito chili cheese pie, y'all. Yeah. Check us out. We got it baked. Of course, we got the jalapeños on there. That's the bake way right there, baby. And for the quick, fast, and a hurry, if you're at a party or something, throwing a party for the kids, get a bunch of little bags. Bam. Frito chili pie in the bag, baby. Got 2 ways of making it. 2 ways of eating it. Let's dig in and see what we got. So much better with your own chili. Sit right there. And the bake way, baby. And the bake way. Only difference is with the bake way, your chips are a little bit more softer. That's how I like it. If I can get, there we go. If I can get it on my fork, come on, that cheese. There we go. Bakeware is the best in my opinion. All right, family. If you found value in this video, if it's your first time coming, think about subscribing. If you have been a subscriber, much love to you. Thank you for your continued support and for your continue to watch me. Because we all learning together, baby. We all learning together. Don't forget, hit that like button, throw me a comment, let me know if you grew up eating Frito chili pie. Because I heard it was just like a Texas and New Mexico thing, so I don't know. It's natural for me, baby. I grew up on it. So throw me a comment in the bottom. I said hit the like button. So hit the like button. I'm going to say that twice. Hit the like button 3 times. Make sure your notification bell is on so you know what we're doing when we're doing it. Because that boy can cook out the place, out your face. Till the next time. I'm gone. Yeah.